Einstein's plan to get away from school. Einstein thought that it was meaningless for him to stay on in Munich. It was no use wasting his father's money and everyone's time. Einstein suddenly got an idea. He met Yuri and asked him if he knew a doctor. Einstein wanted to get a medical certificate to show that he had a nervous breakdown and he should stop going to school. Yuri doubted that the doctor will believe Einstein. Einstein commented that he would have a real nervous breakdown to make matters easier for the doctor. The doctor gives Einstein a medical certificate. Yuri found a recently qualified doctor, Dr. Weil. Yuri warned Einstein against trying to deceive doctor, but to be frank and honest. Einstein met Dr. Weil the next day. Dr. Weil informed him that Yuri had told him about his troubles. Einstein informed him about his plans to move to Milan. Then, doctor gave him a medical certificate stating that Einstein was suffering from nervous breakdown and should stay away from school for 6 months. Einstein thanked the doctor and took Yuri for a meal. Einstein seeks a reference. Einstein told Yuri that he would leave school forever as he never wanted to come back to that school. Yuri suggested him to take a reference letter from his maths teacher to Mr. Koch before going to the headmaster. Mr. Koch really admired Einstein for his brilliance and gave him the reference. Einstein summoned by head teacher. Before Einstein had a chance to give the medical certificate to the head teacher, he was summoned to the head teacher's office. The head teacher told him that he was expelled from the school and he should leave immediately. When Einstein wanted to know the reason, the head teacher told him that his presence disturbed the class so much that no teaching could be done. Einstein happy to leave the school. When Einstein heard this, he felt sad that he had unnecessarily wasted time and effort in procuring a medical certificate. Einstein was tempted to tell the head teacher what he thought about the school or about the teachers, but somehow stopped himself. But he did not feel ashamed in being expelled and walked out keeping his head high. He did not say goodbye to any teacher or student inside the school. The only person he wanted to meet before leaving was Yuri, who wished him good luck and wished that he would be happier in Milan as it was a wonderful place.